Severe lightning storms can easily damage your power distribution equipment. To protect your system, CNLONQ introduces the new surge protective device. It features a PT enclosure with all 94VO flame rating, low-resistance phosphor bronze terminals, and an integrated arc barrier. Equipped with the Shield Storm lightning protection chip thickness from 6 to 8 mm depending on voltage rating. Every unit is 100% factory tested before delivery. Installation: fits standard 35 mm DIN rail for quick and easy installation. CNLONQ leads China in custom PV protection equipment. Our products are globally certified and fully compliant. High quality, fast delivery, and reliability drive our worldwide sales. We also offer PV customization and R&D support to integrators, EPCs, and investors.